Torrential monsoon rains wreaked havoc across India's western Maharashtra state on Friday. Over 60 people were reportedly killed in multiple incidents of landslides, building collapses and accidents linked to heavy rainfall, while rescue and relief operations continued across the state on war footing.
At least 67 people were killed in the western Indian state of Maharashtra, authorities said on Friday, after torrential monsoon rains caused landslides and flooded low-lying areas, cutting off hundreds of villages. At least 36 people were killed in a landslide in Taliye village near Raigad district, while at least 4 people died in Mumbai after a building collapsed, and another 27 lost their lives in other parts of state due to landslides and accidents linked to the heavy rainfall, officials said. Rescue operations were underway at various places in Satara, Raigad and Ratnagiri district, as several dozen people were feared to have been trapped in landslides.
And we are also facing a lot of problems in a smooth movement of the troops because of the continuous rains. But despite that, the operation is still going on, and I am hopeful that in the next 24 hours, things will come under control.
In coastal districts, the Indian Navy and Army were deployed to help in rescue operations. Annual monsoon rains are important for India and its agriculture-based economy. However, a large portion of the country struggles with floods during this season, leading to several deaths and loss of property worth millions.